Hi, demonstration. So, you're the plant, God, the Father, is the gardener. So, as you can see, this plant needs a little bit of rescuing, right? I'm going to turn it around so that you can see what I'm talking about. Can you see there are little dead bits on there? Okay, so my question then is this. Why does God prune you? You'd think that was a real simple answer, right? Then how come so many people question, why am I going through this? Why am I experiencing this? Why am I hurting? See, the thing is that to take the dead bits off, sometimes it hurts. But God does this for us to thrive, to get stronger, to look better, to feel better. Thanks for listening.